going to talk about a new cable today. Today's cable is the pulse oximetry sensor. Now, this particular unit was provided to us by our friends over at cablesandsensors.com. If you are looking for this cable, you can find it under Philips SP02 sensor. It has a reference number of S410-200. But let's get into talking about the cable itself. I want to point out a couple of things. Number one, the actual plug of the cable is, of course, a 12-pin gold-plated pin plug. Goes out to a cord that is 9 foot in length and has a TPU vinyl jacket, ending up in a lovely adult finger clip. Now, no worries on the adult clip. The clip is available in other sizes. You can purchase other sizes such as neonatal, pediatric, adult. There's even a soft boot version for some of your more obese patients. Now, you'll notice just right here on top of the clip, in fact, this is a spring-loaded finger clip, mind you, but on top of the clip you'll see kind of an illustration of the top part of a finger and the nail. That's just to show you that that's the top. When you open up the actual clip, you will see that there is a red LED light. The bottom portion has a sensor, a reader, if you will. Trying to think of very simplistic terms. It has a sensor. So if I take my index finger and I put it into the clip as instructed, I'll see that on the top portion of my nail that actually the red light is being reflected. Now, how this particular cable works is that red light passes through my fingernail, through my finger, and is then picked up by the sensor on the other side, on the underside of the clip. Then shows up, and again, I'm using my Philips Veridia 24C monitor. So once that reading goes through my finger, it's then displayed here on my monitor. My SpO2 level is at 99, 98, 96. My perf 5.2. So the cable does work very well. Again, this is the reusable SpO2 sensor by Philips. I think it's a great product for a great price. I also think that it's good construction, and it's definitely something that you should be adding to your personal cable collection.